today's Monday. We are going grocery shopping, so I thought I'd start this video. Let's go.
I'm not gonna be there for you, 'cause you were never there for me. Don't go ask me what you did wrong. Ignorance will never see.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul. And if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. I post makeup tutorials, vlogs, grocery hauls, and a bunch of other fun content. So if you like any of that kind of stuff, then you can just click on the little red subscribe button down below and the little gray bell next to the subscribe button so that you never miss a video. So today we went to Makro. We got a few things from Pick and Pay and then a couple of things from Impala, but nothing too significant. I think total for everything we bought at Makro was about 4.3, and then everywhere else was probably like 200, 100, 300, like stuff like that. So I'd say total 5,000 rand just to round it off. Okay, so I'm starting on the floor today. We have two of these 4 kg Omo washing powder for the washing machine. Then we have two of these 5 liter, so there's 4 5-liter bottles in here, and this is just water, so we have 8 total. And then we have 2 Baby Soft 18 roll toilet paper. And then moving on to the food and stuff, we got one of these classic creams. This is for cooking or whipping or pouring, so this is very versatile. We got a barbecue sauce, a feta mixed herb cheese. This is really nice, gives the salad a little bit of flavor. We have some white hamburger rolls here. Underneath we have some jumbo eggs. We have this kilojoule friendly, bread. Then back there we have the mighty big paper towels. And then here in the front again we have 2 minestrone pack soups, 2 brown onion, and 2 thick white onion. We have 2 cheeses. We have Gouda and cheddar. And then over here we have a tomato puree can, a bottle of acha. This is the mango one. A Coke, 2 of these mixed bean and tomato sauce cans, 2 of these Basso extra virgin olive oils, and then back there we have a whole bunch of these Kellogg's granola packets, because I kid you not, this runs out so quickly. I think we go through 1 packet a week. It's so good. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So we have 4 of these, just the normal ones, and then 1 of these cranberry and raisin one. Then we have these stock cubes. We've got chicken and chili beef. We have Raja curry powder over here, some Italian herbs, some garlic salt, some oregano or oregano, and some mixed herbs. Then down here we have these little tomato paste packets by Rhodes. There's 2 more right over there. So yeah. And then in the front here we have the Lancewood medium fat cream cheese. And then I found this. This is for baking. How cool is this, by Arrow? I love this packaging. Oh my gosh. Like, the color of this paper is just so aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, it's got little recipes. They've got recipes on their website as well. So it's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Super cool. And it's specifically geared towards baking. So that's awesome. Moving on, we have 3 of these no-lac strawberry lactose-free yogurts. These are so nice and they're so low in calories. So we got 3 of them because we didn't want them to go past their expiration date. But I think this will last us maybe 2-3 weeks. We have 1 lone cucumber. We have some cheese Russians, some shoulder bacon. This is the big packet. And then back here we have 1 can of pilchards in tomato sauce. I'm so sorry about the dogs outside. Like, I don't know what's happening. Moving on, we have this Spur hickory basting sauce. This sounds amazing. Back there, right, I was watching a vlog by Cynthia, and she said that every Sunday they bake treats to have during the week at their like little coffee station. We don't have a coffee station yet, but I thought it was such a nice idea to make little treats and have them throughout the week. Like, that's so great. So we bought these Snowflake creation boxes. These were 4 for $100. So we got 2 vanilla flavored cupcake kits and 2 brownie kits. They look so yummy. We have some brown sugar over here. These little baby corn containers, 2 of them. We have some country mix frozen vegetables down here. In the front here we have these Melrose squares. These are like, there we go. There's a picture. That's pretty cool. I wish they had this for Laughing Cow because that hits differently. We have Glad cling wrap. We have some spring onion. Over here we have bananas. And then 2 packets of these spicy wedges by McCain. These are really good. We still like the, what are they, sweet potato fries? But not everyone in the house likes them. So everyone in the house likes these. So we just kind of like have to work together, you know? We have 1 container of garlic. And then we have 2 of these boxes of fish hake. We got the garlic and parsley one, and the haddock. Haddock is my favorite. It tastes so good. Then we got 2 packets of these noodles, Durban curry, 1 box of cremora back there. Then we have some butternut cubes here in the front. And then at Impala, my mom picked up some grapes and some gnocchis. And then back to Makro, we got some drumsticks. This cost 140 bucks. And I don't know how many are in here. But yeah, that's how it looks. There's no number. We got a big packet of Epsom salt. Epsom salt, you know, for soaking and stuff. We have 3 boxes of facial tissues. A packet of Kotex pads. And then a packet of Always Ultra pads. Are these Ultra? Yeah, Ultra thin. We have 6 Lux soap bars. Then we have 2 Vaseline, just normal petroleum jelly. We got this baby fragrance free one. And then I got the plain normal baby one as well. We have a Nivea Lotion. This is the irresistibly smooth one. 2 Sunlight dishwashing liquid bottles. 2 Handy Andy bottles. And 4 Domestos bottles. There's all the different colors. Then over here we have 6 Dove roll-ons. We have a packet of 10 disposable masks. We have these Duck Active Clean blocks. A packet of heavy duty, what are these? What are they called? Sponges? Yeah, and then, hold on. Then we picked up these Johnson's cotton pads. There's 18 there. We have 2 of these gel Colgate toothpastes. Then in the front here we have Stay Softs, 1 lavender, 2 baby, and 3 aromatherapy ones. We have 4 packets of refuse bags. And then last thing from Makro is these butcher bags. These are the large ones. And then at Pick and Pay, we picked up 2 of these chicken breast packets and then 2 of these drumstick and thigh packets. So yeah, that is everything. It does look smaller this time, but we do have like some, you know, randoms in here, but it definitely looks smaller than before because everything went up. But yeah. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on my Instagram and my Facebook. All my videos that I post on here get uploaded to my Facebook page as well. The Facebook page is called Nicole Khumalo YouTube. So if you're on Facebook a lot, you can kind of get the video in your feed. And then what else? Yeah, I think that's all. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
There's a spark